Welcome to Innovations in Focus. Here, delve into the fascinating world of groundbreaking technology and engineering marvels. In the United States, there are many large trucks and impressive excavators. When you see these heavy machines in front of you, do you find it unbelievable? This video explores the topic of heavy machinery making impressive displays to amaze the world. Wood shredder. In the United States, there is an advanced machine that can help process wood chips in the forests. This machine has two parts. The front has a grabber to pick up the wood, and the back is a clockwise rotating screw compressor. When you put the wood chips into the screw compressor, the machine grinds all the chips into sawdust. This sawdust, once compressed, may end up on your table at home. Cement spreading machine. In Japan, there is a factory with a large machine that can directly help spread cement. By putting the mixed cement into the machine, it flows slowly from the nozzle in lines. Then, you only need to program the machine, and the cement is applied evenly on the walls of your house. It is truly impressive. Tree cutting machine. In the United States, there are many forests where mature trees need to be cut down. An American invented a tree cutting machine that looks like a bulldozer but has sharp blades installed underneath. You just need to aim at the target, and the machine cuts down the tree for you. Tree bark removal machine. In some forests, you can see amazing machines that help remove tree bark easily. Many people know that after trees are cut down, the bark and other impurities need to be removed so the wood can be used to make furniture. To solve this problem, inventor Lou Rouet created a large machine with astonishing work efficiency. Potato harvesting machine. Ordinary excavators might crush potatoes when harvesting them. To solve this problem, inventor Yong Yuan created a magical, lightweight, and hollow machine. You just need to use the excavating arm to pick up all the potatoes and transport them easily to the designated place. Many people are amazed when they see this large machine. Elevated bridge construction. When building elevated bridges, the bridge deck needs to be placed on the piers. Placing bridge decks weighing hundreds of kilograms smoothly onto the piers is a very complex process. However, with the emergence of a large machine, this problem has been completely solved. Workers only need to control the distance well, and they can easily place the bridge deck on the piers. Additionally, the efficiency of this machine is very high, making the constructed elevated bridges extremely solid.